All right, we are back in the Cybertruck, and actually our Model 3 and Cybertruck got the 2025.20.3 update at the same time, which is a rarity for us. But here we are. As expected, 2025.20 was a minor update. The most useful feature, supercharging live activities with a compatible iPhone and all of that. And again, as you can see, for 2025.20.3, we are back with more security improvements, and all it says here is this update includes important security fixes and improvements. Very vague, not too much to it. So if we jump into software here, scroll down a little bit, you can see this has a complete build number of 2025.20.3 8252E1D331E0. So nothing crazy at all in this build. As you can see at a quick glance, I actually did jump through and kind of look around already to see what might have been new, if there's any new tags here, and nothing really showed up. The one thing I didn't mess with that I wanted to show you guys is this use comfort drive mode in autopilot. This came in a prior update. It's very interesting. I don't mind it. I leave it on, but that is something you can toggle on and off now. Again, not new from this build necessarily, but actually checking everything else out, yeah, it is exactly how it has been for a while. I do want to bring up one other point because this has been an ongoing issue. It is so aware and obvious if you have a Cybertruck and have ever driven another Model 3, Y, XS, any of that, this full self-driving supervised on Cybertruck is horrible. Cybertruck's been out for over 1.5 years now, and this is not looking good. I understand it is a smaller volume production vehicle for Tesla. It didn't take off like it was supposed to, but it is borderline unusable unless you are completely aware and watching everything and really just ready to take over every other minute. Honestly, I'm disappointed in the speed, in the lane assist, everything. It is just not where it needs to be. I was hoping with one of these most recent updates, again, jumping back into service with FSD, this is 13.2.9. This is the latest model that we have even on our Model 3. And the Model 3 Hardware 4 just blows this away. Both are Hardware 4, but I'm not sure if it's the steer-by-wire or what is really going on with it, because right now, this is not it. It is more of a headache and frustration than it's worth. Yes, it helps eliminate some of the fatigue when you're driving, but I don't feel easy using this at all on a daily basis. Honestly, it's really disappointing, especially for people that paid $100+ for this vehicle when it first came out, or even any amount of money now that it costs to use. So just wanted to get that out there. Unfortunately, that's still not right. I just dropped a video in regards to software struggles for Tesla. We are still seeing issues, even as simple as the media player still not connecting on these builds, saying invalid format or can't connect, things like that. I just don't understand what truly is the issue with this. We've had navigation issues. We've had location on mapping issues. It's just a little bit frustrating, to be honest with you guys. And I'm not trying to make this video a vent video. I just want to make you guys aware of some of these known issues right now in Cybertruck or any model, just depending on the latest software version. It's not really improved to where it should be. So again, just continuing on with this, you see nothing new, no other new tags here at all. One other thing I do want to call out, which is pretty interesting actually, goes back to charging. And I'm curious, I want you guys to comment down below. Recently, probably within the last 3 or 4 months, if you have your Tesla plugged in, because it's really not unique to one specific model, if you have it plugged in, set to an 80% charging limit, once it hits that charging limit and starts to lose battery, thanks to Sentry mode being on or just sitting for a while, even if it stays plugged in, it does not charge back to your threshold you set. I'm not sure what's going on with that. I've not seen that before. It's very interesting. I'm not sure what's going on. If you've experienced that, comment down below. What's the fix? Please let us know, because we do have some other viewers that have had the same issue. But that's it for this one, guys. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace.